For our 160 rose, I've chosen a red 160, inflated it, leaving about a 3.5 to 4 inch tail. We're going to start up at the knot end. What you want to do is take about 1.5 inch piece of balloon and fold it over to make a little fold twist. Then grab the knot and secure it. Tuck it up inside it until it'll stay. And you'll make 2 more the same size as that one. So we've got 3 small little fold twists just like that. And I'll squeeze the balloon to keep it kind of soft. Then I'm going to make 3 more fold twists, slightly larger than those. So you want to go just a little bit larger. Make a fold, secure it, and I'll run this around through there to make sure that one doesn't come undone while I'm working. And make another one the same size as the one we just made. Just like that. And finally, a third one. Try to get them all the same size. And once I position this, we've got 6 small fold twists now. 3 very small ones, 3 that are slightly larger, and then take the balloon, squeeze it all the way out to the very end so that there's nothing left, and then twist a small little bubble on the end there. Just like that. Now you want to take this bubble and you want to position it into those small fold twists that you made at first. So kind of pull it until it's in there. Make sure you pull it all the way down, and then twist that around once or twice to hold it in place. Now with this loop that we have left, what you want to do is divide it into thirds. So get to where you got about 3 equal portions, and then take and make each of those a fold twist. And again, I'll go around one of the others to lock it in place so it doesn't come undone. The last loop, twist it, divide it into 2, and then twist it down. And again, go around one of these other fold twists here to lock it into place. So we've got 3 larger fold twists. Now you want to take and position your fold twists so that they alternate. So you got your 3 small ones on top, then you want your next 3, the intermediate size ones, to fill in the gaps in between those, the smaller ones. And then you're going to take your 3 larger ones, and you want them to fill in the gaps in between your 3 intermediate ones that you made. And then I'll take and fold these up and shake them just a little bit like that. And you get a little small delicate rose just like that. Now you can also make this with a 260. Your proportions will change a little bit, and you won't be able to get this third roll. You'll just have basically the 2 smaller ones and the next size ones with the bubble. But with a 160, it's got enough room that you can actually get that extra row. Makes it look a lot better. Your little rose.